What is going on, everyone? It's Diamondcraft Gaming, or Mason, back for another gameplay video. And if you guys don't know what game we're playing, well, you probably actually already do by the title. And sorry about the screen resolution, it might be a little different for you because it's not really correct for me. But today, we're going to be playing Cluster Trucks. And I actually have gotten a lot of emails from fans and other people saying, play this, play this, play this. And I'm probably going to get Turbo Dismount on the channel next. But yeah. I've just been adjusting like video and audio. What does video do? I like this music. This music is really good. So controls real quick. So LMB, what's LMB? Right? I don't know. But I love the music. That's just really good music. Okay, I don't really care. Play. Campaign, I guess. World 1 desert. Cool. Yeah. Play. Oh my. Oh my. No. What am I doing? Oh, shift. Wait, I know what to do. No, 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 no. Yes! We did it! Guys, okay, I haven't even played it once. And I just got that gun. I'm ranked 5th. That's just sad. So I'm gonna actually replay the level. Oh man! This game is awesome! Speedrun, yes! What's our score? I want to try and get a score. Rank. Oh wow, that's actually really good. Although like a ton of people got like the same scores. Oh, and we're going, oh gosh. Oh no! Whoa! La la la! Press any key. Oh, I just pressed 4. No! 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 Oh! This game is like the dumbest thing ever. Oh my gosh. Oh my. No, yes! What did we just do? What rank? Oh my gosh. Did you guys just see us? What's that noise? It's like bam, bam, bam. Let's go. I meant to do that. Ooh! Oh, whoa. So someone said there's like ability. How do you do an ability? Hold on. Now. Would ability be? Oh, those cars are loud. I don't know. I don't really care. Who cares? We don't need abilities. Ooh. No. Yes! What do we get? Nice. Oh, that's a pretty good score. Style points? Oh. Must be able to get something. 18,000. That's not a good score. That was a terrible score. Oh, mama. No! That's just sad. You know, I just feel bad for myself because I'm playing such a funny game while in the background there's basically just rock music playing, so. Oh man, no way! Oh my gosh! How do we just do that, guys? That's a better score. And that honking is just crazy. Don't die. No. Oh, no. Oh dear, no. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. I completed the level on first try. That's nice. You guys hear the noises? Let's replay that. That score's actually pretty bad. That's also a pretty bad score. Oh, yes. Oh, man. The myth. Yes! We touched the ground. All right, come on, give it to me. That's good. That's really good. Oh, no, chest ride. Oh, my. What? Bye-bye. Let's casually drive. The truck fell. This is called driving. I bet I'm probably gonna get like literally the worst score ever. Prepare for the worst score ever, guys. Ready for it? That is so bad. That is such a bad score. Who cares? That was also a pretty bad score. Oh, man. Oh, man, we're doing it. No. No. I don't like when you die. Like, this noise is just... It's kind of gross. Oh. No, what the heck? Oh, dang it. That was probably actually like a really good speed run. Yes. Oh, no. Dang it. Oh. Dang it. How did we do that? I think the car must have been like, bleh. Okay. Go. Oh, yes. No. Oh. No. I think when I was in the air, like I must have like been being pushed or something. I died. I wonder what like the laws of physics are in this game because like this is just hilarious. Oh, the wall. Here, I can just be like this. Wee. Sprint. Oh, wait a minute. I think I'm like zooming forward a lot more when I do that. And I die pretty easily. Okay, here we go. Let's keep going. The physics in this game are terrible. Oh, no. Dang it. Oh, dang it. Dang it. Let's go. Oh, guys, if you do want to get this game, by the way, it's $15 on Steam. I don't know if you can get it on iOS. I don't know. But this game is just awesome. Yes! I'm pretty sure that's a better score than our driving. What are we going to get? That's good. It's a lot better. Yay, I'm like #1 in the world. Leader of the pack. Oh! Oh my gosh, guys. Do you see that car? The truck just went flying. Not today. No, yes. Nice. We did it, guys. Nice. I don't want to do just friends. Let's just do worldwide. They must have been hackers. There's no way you can get it in 0.00000 seconds. Guys. We just did it. And got in the top 5. And those are probably hackers, by the way. Just saying. I don't even know if you can hack. But we got into the top 5, guys. Let's go. That is amazing. Oh, and then I hit a rock. I can't believe we got into the top 5, though. Oh my gosh. Top 5 in the world. Maybe that must have been like really clutch or something. Dadgummit. Let's keep going. We're not going to give up. I love this music. It's like so, it's really, oh my gosh. Oh, no. Dang it. So I'm pretty sure like the levels are getting a lot harder now because like that one has a crack in it. No, there's no way. Yes, we did it. Nice job, people. So I have to remember that level 6 is the one we got in the top 5. And then we got like top 12,000. The music stopped. Where's the awesome music? Oh, there it is. I hear it. What just happened? That was just nasty. Wait. Can I do something? Oh, that was cool. Oh, dang it. This game is just nonsense, guys. Oh! Whoa! No! Yes. I'm done. No, I'm not. Psych. This game is awesome. And guys, just so you know, I'm actually going crazy about this game right now. I think it's just really funny. Like, the physics and all that in the game are just terrible. So, that's why I'm going crazy. And don't worry if you guys think that, like, Minecraft is the main game on this channel. It will stay the main game on this channel. But I'm just saying, this game is hilarious and I want to play it more. Oh, yes! Clutch. For some reason we were like this. We're standing and then we're like, bye. I think it's the sprint key. Oh, yes! No! I'm not gonna be one of those noobs who just takes a ride and completes like all levels for not doing any. Whoa! Oh my! What is going on? What is going on? No! So I have to get like a good strategy. No! Dang it! We didn't jump. No! I love getting like squashed between the cars, the trucks, the cluster trucks. Yes! We did it, people! Come on, let's bring it in. Come on. Can I have 41st real? Sure. Here, second jump. 25,000. Oh yeah, I can only afford like this one. I want to get double jump. Double jump looks good. So how do I know what? Options. Hold on. Controls. What's RMB? I don't know what RMB is, guys. I'm a noob. Guys, comment down below if you know what RMB is, because I honestly really want to know. It's not like function 1. Is it alt? It's not alt. What would it be? Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna need your help, so comment down below, please, because I'm confused. Oh my, this is a level that goes a lot more crazy. Oh wow. Oh. No! Dang it. Guys, this game is just chaos. This game is chaos. Oh, yes. No! Oh yeah, we can double jump. Oh! No! Dang it. Oh! No, yeah. Dang it. So I think we really need to speed through this right now. Oh, yeah, that was terrible. Go! I'm not saying that like we're running out of time in the video. I don't even know if we are, and I don't even care right now because I just need to finish this. could have just drove. Dang it. Oh, no. This game is chaos. I'm just gonna drive. Yes, we did it. Nice job, peoples. Come on, give us a good score. That double jump, no, that was terrible. Oh man, the double jump is gonna help in this level. Oh, oh, ow. Oh man. The truck I was trying to stand on completely got demolished. MLG, dang it. Oh, how do we just do that? No, dang it. Okay. Guys, I'm not saying we're going to be at this level for a long time. I want this to be an uncut video. So, dang it. So I keep forgetting we have double jump. So. No. Yes. Oh! 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 Oh my. How do we just do that, guys? Oh. Well, we're in second world. I'll save that for the next episode. But yeah, if you guys do enjoy this video, I think it was pretty awesome. Please be sure to leave a like rating and subscribe for more content just like this. Now guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!